Welcome to Kashmir Crown News. Today, the state of Jammu and Kashmir is celebrating Mahashivratri. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Shiva, and thousands of people have thronged this temple, which is called Shambhu Temple. And besides this temple, all the temples of Jammu and Kashmir have been illuminated by Hindu devotees. Particularly if we speak about the security arrangements in this temple, security arrangements are quite high. Thousands of people are here celebrating this festival. This festival is a major festival in Hinduism, particularly in the memory of Lord Shiva. What is observed in this festival is that this festival is actually in the remembrance of overcoming the darkness and ignorance. And the slogans are being chanted everywhere in every temple of Jammu and Kashmir, which are Om Namah Shivaya. With me is right now Rajinder Sharma, who is a children band master. Rajinder ji, क्या आप हमें सुनाना चाहेंगे अभी?
आज शिवरात्रि के मौके पर मैं अपने जम्मू वासियों को, कश्मीर वासियों को ये हार्दिक बधाई शुभ देता हूँ शिवरात्रि की, और एक भजन सुनाना चाहता हूँ 2 मिनट के लिए। शॉर्टली सर। हाँ, आज है महाशिवरात्रि।
There are many things that make Shivratri, or what we call Herat, completely different in Kashmir. The most profound is the tradition of Salam that made Muslims also a part of this festival. The day of Salam, usually celebrated a day after Herat, saw every Muslim neighbor and friend thronging the Pandit houses to greet and congratulate them and be the part of the festivity. The festivals celebrated by Pandits in Jammu and other places have become more similar to festivals celebrated in Hindus elsewhere in India. In Jammu, Pandits celebrate the festival on their own. Kashmir would be cut off for months with the rest of the world in the earlier times. There was amicable coexistence between Hindus and Muslims, like Hindus who abstained from eating jhatkas and maham, Muslims too abstained from eating beef or fish caught from spring. Muslims too miss the old days when the festival meant intermingling and participation.
Particularly if we speak about this Mahashivratri, this is the major festival which is celebrated across the state of Jammu and Kashmir today. And Lord Shiva is being memorized today for overcoming darkness and ignorance. Particularly people of the state are today praying for forgiveness, they are praying for non-injury, they are praying for honesty. So these are actually the main things which are being chanted in every temple of Jammu and Kashmir, and the main slogan of every Hindu community, particularly if we speak today, is that Om Namah Shivaya. And once we speak about Mahashivratri, this is the festival which is celebrated particularly in Kashmir. Pandit community is also celebrating this festival today in Kashmir. But we are bringing this broadcast from Jammu today as our team has reached Shambhu Temple, Jammu. With me is Panditji right now. He will elaborate us about this festival today. Sir, we would like to know that what is this festival all about?
आज मैं द्वारकानाथ जोगी पुजारी अक्षम मंदिर रूपनगर। आज महाशिवरात्रि है। इस दिन भगवान शंकर की, लॉर्ड शिवा की शादी हुई थी, तो उसी की खुशी में हर साल ये त्यौहार मनाया जाता है। इसी दिन भगवान शिव पार्वती की शादी हुई थी, तो जैसे हम मैरिज एनिवर्सरी मनाते हैं तो वो एक दिन स्पेशल दिन होता है। ये हमारे लिए, हमारे हिंदू कम्युनिटी के लिए, सबके लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल दिन। और इस दिन व्रत रखते हैं, भगवान जी का पानी से अभिषेक किया जाता है, दूध, दही, शहद, घी, शक्कर, भांग, धतूरा। तो पूरा दिन कुछ भगत तो ऐसे हैं जो पूरा दिन व्रत रखते हैं, पानी तक नहीं पीते, और रात को 4 पूजा करके, फिर इनकी आज रात को 4 पूजा होगी। पहले 10 बजे, फिर 12 बजे, फिर 2 बजे, फिर 4 बजे, फिर 6 बजे लास्ट आरती ख़त्म होके करके, तो फिर इन जो पानी छाने पिएंगे।
सर, आप मुझे पहले बताएं कि अगर हम कश्मीर की बात करें, आज महाशिवरात्रि है, तो क्या कुछ खास दुआ लेके आप आज इस मंदिर में आए हैं?
पहले तो हम सब जे.एंड के वासियों को आज के दिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। वैसे तो ये त्यौहार मिलजुल के सबके साथ मिलाने का, एक दूसरे को मिलाने का दिन है, क्योंकि जो शंकर जी है वो प्रतीक है एक शांति और एक अमन होना चाहिए। बिल्कुल सर। और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जे.एंड के प्रॉस्पर करे हर तरीके से, चाहे वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी हो, चाहे वो सर डेवलपमेंट हो, हर किस तरीके से। वैसे कश्मीर धरती कश्मीर कश्यप ऋषि के नाम पे है और ये धरती स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए बहुत मानी जाती है और वहाँ पे इस दिन का महत्व इससे कहीं ज़्यादा था और हम चाहते हैं हम अगली शिवरात्रि अपने कश्मीर में ही मनाएं।
Bilkul, that's great slogan. Actually, they actually want that another Shivratri. They want to celebrate in the valley. And with me is another Pandit ji from Kashmir. Sir, actually, this is the great thing he has spoken out that another Shivratri. They won't celebrate in Jammu, but they would like to celebrate another Shivratri in Kashmir. Would you like to go with him?
Yeah, definitely. I like to go with him. You know, this is the most revered festival that Kashmiri Pandits have. We have been following. I must say around 65 today, but all the 65 years I have been following this festival with vigor, and we wait for this festival around the year, and it takes around 1 month in Srinagar when we are celebrating this festival. When we are celebrating this festival, we would prepare ourselves 1 month in advance so that all the darkness, all the bad things, all the evil, all the non-doings that any person must have done, we would like to see that we overcome all those things, and then we would sit on this Mahashivratri in our home.
So, my simple question is that, do you miss your homeland today?
Well, who will not? You know, that's my birthplace.
Yeah.
And you tell me, even my son, even my daughter, even my father, they would all miss it because the place where I have born, though I was living in a heart of city, I was living in an old city, but today I am living in a better place, better house today. But I still feel for that
Still those
place.
memories are
Yes,
there.
memories are there, that small lanes and those by lanes, and the people like a Muslim brethren, like a Sikh brethren, they would all wish us. And it was even on the Eid and other Gurpurab days, would wish them. And it was such a festive atmosphere that we had in the Srinagar that we were feeling so joyous.
So, dear viewers, I spoke to almost 3 brothers of Kashmiri Pandit community. The clear message goes down the line that they want to return to the valley, but there are certain conditions that government of Jammu and Kashmir should take them into confidence before going to the valley. They should not speak to some fringe elements like they treat themselves as their leaders, but actually they want that their government, the Mehbooba's government, should speak to majority of the Pandits. After that, they will go to valley. They will actually choose the destination where from they are being and brought in. This is the message which is going down the line on this special day of Mahashivratri. And every Kashmiri, every Jammuite should remember that this day actually marks the remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance. Thanks for being with Kashmir Crown.